even before liking each other, even before getting closer each other. There is a huge scope for texting to make a girl like you. Most men text a girl in many wrong ways that reduce their attraction levels to her. Well, there are many different ways to make her interested in you, and I think texting plays a major role in building that interest. Texting plays a vital role when you are in a relationship. You can ask a girl interesting questions for great conversation over text, and there are many interesting topics to discuss as well. But in this video you will know the best way to text a girl. Number 1. Never send good morning and good night messages. Good morning and good night text greetings are not always a good idea and can lower attraction levels over time. Number 2. Never text feelings over text. It is better to express them directly. Expressing feelings over text is not a good idea. It shows that you have poor confidence and lack communication skills. So expressing feeling directly shows that you are confident, and women love confident men. Number 3. Do not ask "what are you doing?" over a text or question like these. It is demanding and lame. Moreover, women hate questioning. Just come up with an idea to discuss. Number 4. Do not double text or send lengthy messages. A double text isn't worth it. Basically, if you're sending a double text to ease your own insecurities or to ask the same question in a different way, then don't do it. It shows that you are not confident enough, which can lower the attraction, so do not do this. Number 5. Know what to talk about over texting. It is better to know what to talk about even before texting her. This is to keep the conversation fresh and exciting while on the go. Both texting and talking can be done using similar topics. If you know even a few of these things, it would be easier for you to keep the conversation flowing.